So Heather's driving test in how long? An hour from now you'll be on the road doing your driving test. Because we didn't have to, don't worry. How are you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous.
It's bound to be. If I had to do it, I'd feel a little bit nervous. Going left here. No, we'll go down to the roundabout and down. We're finished with the parallel park, yeah?
Right, okay.
Roundabout, turn left for me, please.
Turn left, okay.
Is there anything you could have done to help the nerves? Because we didn't have to, don't worry.
Just taking it slower, don't rush, I think, because this gives you time to just think it through.
Yeah. Also, have breakfast, something to eat. That helps. Have you had anything to eat? You've had the can of Red Bull. Go.
Good.
Look at that one. No, look at that one. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. I know you can do it. And look at that gap there on the gas. That's it away. Oh, that Audi. I love the way you do that going around corners. If you rush it, you'll mess it up, okay? Got a handbrake, a little bit of gas, find the bike, no, start the car, don't bring the clutch up, find the bike point, no, don't bring the clutch up, find the bike point, handbrake off,
Yeah,
there we go, and go. It's because you brought the clutch all the way up. I was watching your left foot. It found the bike point and it just brought it up. How are we going to stop that left foot of yours coming all the way up?
I don't know. I was pretending like I was in a test. Like
You looked like there was something wrong with you.
No, I just wanted to show. I thought you pointed at the ice cream part. I was looking at it.
Yes, let's go get an ice cream. Look how we going, look. Stunning clutch work, well done. Really good. Right at the next junction, please.
Too soon. No, don't start doing this now. Come on.
If you want me to help you, I'll help you, okay?
Right, first gear. Okay. Nope.
You're not
Too
pressing
soon.
the gas pedal down.
Okay. Nope.
Double check you're in first.
Right, now I'm in first. Come on. It's not hard enough pressure, is it?
Hold it on the bike point. Push the gas pedal halfway down and hold it on the bike point until you're over there. Don't bring the clutch up. Because we didn't have to. Don't worry. She's staying there.
Wouldn't you have to feel the tyres howl?
Ooh, tyres!
Well, I mean, if the balls, you wouldn't be driving on the road with them, but I don't know too much about it.
So what's the minimum tyre tread depth? We have to get there today though, yeah? Or at least in the next couple of hours. Hello? Earth to Heather. Come on, drive it like you stole it. Come on, go. We're in a 60 zone. There's nothing in front of us. It's coming.
I don't want to go past.
Get over there.
Oh, fuck.
Get over there. Scan. That was brilliant, that. I enjoyed that bit.
What, nearly running them over?
Oh,
no.
Right, start the car for me.
Oh no.
Yes. Find the bike point. Don't.
Can't remember if it's...
You can go either way, can you, yeah? But left is easier than right. How did I know you were going to go left?
Oh no, I'm doing that. Doing it
Where
again. I would actually slap myself for doing that.
You went to there. Okay?
I'm doing that again.
This is where you want here. Okay? Just the beginning bit. Start the car. Only
I actually want to go. Like, what are you doing? Shit.
Only the beginning part, okay?
Okay.
Don't bring it up. Once you've found that, put your left foot into pause.
Okay.
Freeze it. don't let it come up anymore, okay?
Okay.
Find the bite point, hold it on the bite point, okay?
Okay.
Pause, freeze. What other word can we use to not move, not bring
Don't
that
rush
clutch
it.
up? Yeah?
Don't rush.
Like that. Do it.
Okay. At the bite
That's
point,
it.
of softly touching the accelerator.
A little bit more gas.
Okay, come on.
Beautiful. Nice.
I did it.
Yes, it's just
Oh my God.
finding that first little bit. Yeah, you know that the start 10% bit.
Yeah. Oh!
Because we didn't have to. Don't worry. I've got a book somewhere at home about marketing. I remember buying it. Never read it.
Yeah.
I just bought it
Oh.
because it looks good. Looks good on the shelf
Oh my God.
next to War and Peace and the Kama Sutra. All hail! Absolutely.
Oh my God, did I?
Super duper, fantastic, wonderful, amazing.
Oh my God.
So, what happened? What happened?
A bit nervous.
Yeah,
Of course, it's normal to be nervous.
of course it is.
And
What was the result, first of all?
I
Did you pass your driving test?
yes. Yes.
Show
Do you want
me.
me to go straight into it? Okay.
Just go straight into
Do you want me
it.
to hold it up?
Just give it a wave.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey.
That's
Oh
it.
my God.
So,
I'm
Heather
over
passed the
moon.
test this morning.
Yes.
Well done. If there was anybody else watching, what advice would you give anybody else doing their driving test? What would you say to them to help them?
I would say don't overthink things like me.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't overthink.
Can of energy drink in the morning.
That'll do it. A Red Bull will do you. Now you know.
Other energy drinks are available. Well done, you deserved it. Good, nice one.
Yeah.
So, as long as you behave yourself when you're driving and you don't lose your driving license,
Yes. Yes.
I will never see you again, and I expect a wave when you're passing it. Well done, you passed the test. Way, look.